Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're stepping a bit outside of the usual skincare and makeup realm to look at something many of us need in our beauty spaces, and honestly, every home, especially if you're serious about cleanliness. We're reviewing the Spic and Span Disinfecting All-Purpose Spray and Glass Cleaner, a concentrated 1-gallon formula that promises to replace 3 separate cleaners with one powerful solution. It claims to cut through tough kitchen grease faster than other leading brands, disinfect like hospital-grade products, and leave your glass surfaces sparkling clean. So here's the deal. This is a professional-strength multi-purpose cleaner designed for heavy-duty cleaning while saving you money and storage space by reducing the number of products you need. It's marketed as a disinfectant spray, suitable for hospital use when used according to directions, which sets a high standard for cleanliness and safety. Plus, it claims to clean glass surfaces to a brilliant shine without streaks. Sounds like a triple threat, right? In real life, I put this product through its paces across different surfaces in my home, especially in the kitchen and bathroom, where grease, grime, and glass buildup are constant challenges. Using it was straightforward. The concentrate requires dilution, so you're not dealing with a heavy chemical smell like some cleaners, which is a big plus for indoor air quality and comfort. The spray mechanism was efficient and gave good coverage without waste. When it came to cutting through kitchen grease, this cleaner really lived up to its promise. I found it required noticeably fewer sprays and wipes compared to the multi-surface sprays I typically use, so that claim about 50% fewer strokes rings true from my experience. For disinfecting, I followed the instructions carefully, leaving the surface wet for the recommended contact time, and felt reassured knowing it meets hospital-level disinfectant standards. It's an important feature for anyone concerned about germs, especially in high-touch areas. On glass surfaces, including mirrors and windows, the product delivered a clear, streak-free finish, which can be tricky with all-purpose cleaners that aren't specifically formulated for glass. That versatility makes it convenient, although if you are a stickler for ultra-fine detail on glass, you might still want a dedicated glass cleaner for the absolute best shine. Now, to be fully transparent, this is a cleaning product designed for household and commercial use rather than personal beauty application. But for those who value maintaining a hygienic environment that complements a beauty routine, especially in your makeup room, vanity area, or bathroom, it's a worthy addition. Let's talk pros. It's highly effective at grease removal, disinfects efficiently, and cleans glass without streaks. The concentrate formula means you're getting a lot of value per bottle, reducing plastic waste, and saving money over time. It's also versatile, replacing 3 different cleaners in one product, which simplifies your cleaning supplies. On the flip side, the need to dilute the concentrate may be a bit inconvenient if you're looking for a quick spray and wipe solution, and some may find the chemical scent a bit strong initially, though it fades quickly with ventilation. Also, it's not scented, so if you prefer fragrant cleaners, this might feel a bit clinical. Lastly, this is definitely not a product for direct application on skin or hair, so keep it strictly to surfaces. In terms of value for money, a gallon of concentrate that replaces multiple products is quite cost-effective, especially for larger households or those who clean frequently. It compares favorably with other multi-purpose cleaners in its class, particularly given its disinfectant strength and glass cleaning capability. The packaging is sturdy and functional, designed for durability and ease of pouring. It's a no-nonsense approach that fits with its professional-grade image. Since it's a concentrate, the product's shelf life is longer than ready-to-use sprays, and you get to control dilution strength according to your needs. I haven't had direct contact with customer support, but the brand has a solid reputation for reliability and responsiveness in the cleaning product sector. If you're considering alternatives, there are less concentrated multi-surface cleaners out there, often more fragranced and user-friendly for quick cleaning, but you may sacrifice disinfectant power and cost efficiency. If hospital-grade disinfection and versatility are priorities, Spic and Span's offering stands out. To sum up, Spic and Span Disinfecting All-Purpose Spray and Glass Cleaner delivers on its core promises: powerful grease cutting, effective disinfecting, and streak-free glass cleaning, all-in-one concentrated formula. It's best suited for those who want professional level cleaning and disinfection with cost and storage savings. If you value multifunctionality and serious cleaning power, this could be a smart pick. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. If you've already tried it, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.